All right. So we got this one for today. Got a big spot right there. Get cleaned up. Oh, there you go. Now it's focused. Okay. A little dirty right there. So I already pre-treated. It's been dwelling for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna scrub it. We'll see how well that does. So nice, good pre-scrub. So I'm going to go ahead and scrub the rest of the carpet. I'll show you when I'm extracting how that looks. It's going to be fantastic. I think it's going to turn out really, really good. So I'll show you how it all turns out for you. For us, there we go. So let me get back to it. Hey, how you doing? So I finished pre-scrubbing everything. I just want to show you the difference I'm getting with extracting. So I'll grab my wand. Look at that. So this is just, experience. I've been cleaning for a while. I know my chemistry. I know my products. So yeah, so I just been clean for a while, so I'm able to do this because I just have the experience. I'm a second generation carpet cleaner. We can make your carpets look good because I want to. I care. I want you to get the best job done. I'm just not going to come in, get the job done, and get out. I want to know when I leave that house, no one could have cleaned it better than I did, and that's what I'm shooting for. And that's what we're getting. We're getting really good quality. Very happy customers. Been doing this for 5.5 years on my own. I work for several other companies. Also work for my dad. And you're just not going to get this out of some type of big company that just sends out teenagers, which I'm not saying they're bad, but I've been there, done that. And you're not going to get that finding the lowest price. We're doing this because we're charging more to take time to do the job right. So we're providing a quality. We're not providing a low cost. We're providing a high quality. So anyways, I'm going to get back to it, get this house looking really good for my clients, and see you later. Bye.